Want to make your Excel sheets more efficient? Let's learn how to create a drop-down list. Step 1. Prepare your data. First, enter the list of items you want in your drop-down menu into a column. Make sure they're all in one place, like this. Tip: keep your list on a separate sheet for easy updates. Now go back to your actual worksheet. Next, select the cell or range of cells where you'd like the drop-down list to appear. Go to the Data tab, and under the Data Tools section, click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, set Allowed to List. Then, click inside the source field. Now, highlight your list of items to set them as the source. Click OK, and your drop-down list is ready to use. Test it out by clicking the arrow in the cell and selecting an option. And that's it. You've added a drop-down list in Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.